Alright, just wanted to show you where to hook up the power if you decide to purchase this. There are the pins. It's the first on the right hand side and the third on the left hand side. There's a tab right there, so as long as that's facing to the right, you'll be all set. I put a piece of tape on in here, and these aren't, the polarity can change on here. Put a piece of tape on there. There's a little piece of, there's a gear in there, which I'll show you in a second. No polarity. Let's reverse. It's making that noise because that piece of tape's rubbing, so let's take that off. There's that gear. Let's fire it up again. See, it's whisper quiet. Alright. Hope you enjoyed that demonstration.